From the vine to the bottle, the journey of tomato ketchup is a feat of modern precision agriculture and meticulous processing.
It begins with selecting the ideal processing tomato, bred for color, flavor, and high solids content.
Modern harvesters perform the work of hundreds, efficiently picking and sorting the fruit right in the field.
Advanced optical sorters ensure only the ripest, undamaged fruit continue to the next stage.
Once loaded, the fresh harvest is rushed to the processing plant, often within hours of leaving the vine.
Time is crucial to preserve the natural sweetness and quality of the raw material.
At the plant, the tomatoes are first moved by water, a gentle, high-volume method that also starts the cleaning process.
Multiple wash cycles use clean, tested water to eliminate all field-related soil and bacteria.
Even with automated sorting, human expertise is the final check for optimal quality.
The washed fruit is quickly chopped to prepare it for the cooking process. Next, the pulp is rapidly heated in the hot break to prevent enzyme activity. This step is vital for inactivating pectolytic enzymes, which could break down the pectin and result in a thinner ketchup. The pulper and finisher refine the mass, removing the seeds, skins, and any remaining fibrous material. Nothing is wasted. These byproducts are often used for animal feed or other processing applications.
This liquid is now tomato paste, and it must be concentrated by removing excess water through a vacuum evaporation process.
Vacuum evaporation keeps the temperature low, preserving the bright color and fresh flavor of the paste.
The finished paste, measured by its Brix level, is stored until it's ready to be transformed into the final product, ketchup. Now, the art of flavor creation begins. The concentrated paste is moved to the blending kettles.
The first major ingredient to be added is sugar, contributing to the characteristic sweet and tangy profile. The volume of sugar is meticulously measured and strictly controlled for formula consistency. Vinegar, the source of the ketchup's signature tang, is added next. The final and most secretive element is the precise blend of spices and natural flavorings.
The mixture is slowly and gently stirred while it is heated to a precise temperature, ensuring every ingredient is perfectly dissolved.
The completed ketchup is immediately pumped through a pasteurization unit, rapidly heating and cooling it to ensure a long, stable shelf life. The final product is a perfectly smooth, rich, and stable emulsion, ready for packaging.
The last step, bottling, is a symphony of high-speed automation.
Hot filling is a key technique, using the heat of the product itself to sterilize the interior of the bottle and its lid before sealing.
The bottles are instantly sealed, creating a vacuum that ensures maximum freshness.
A dedicated machine applies the distinct brand label, completing the product's identity. Finally, the finished ketchup is packed into shipping cases, ready to leave the plant. Journey concludes in the massive warehouse, where the cases await worldwide distribution.
Every batch is tracked through its unique code, ensuring complete quality and inventory control. From the field to the factory, and finally to the store shelf, the process is complete.
Ready to be taken home, a staple in countless family meals.
And so, the simple tomato is transformed into the world's most popular condiment.
A delicious end to a meticulous process.
The cycle concludes, but the preparation for the next season has already begun.
a reminder of the natural beginning of this global staple.
Engines rest, but the science and technology that drives the process are constantly being refined.
Quality assurance continues around the clock, guaranteeing the precise balance of flavor and texture in every bottle. The initial water bath is critical, protecting the tomatoes from bruising while moving them efficiently. Gentle mechanical action ensures a polished clean before the final human inspection.
No compromise on quality. A final visual check for any stem fragments or unripe patches.
The incline prepares the fruit for its first major physical transformation, the breaking stage.
High-pressure pumps move the coarse pulp rapidly into the hot break system to ensure immediate heat exposure.
The turbulent flow ensures uniform heat distribution, deactivating the enzymes in seconds. The refinement stage leaves only the smooth, pure tomato serum, ready for concentration. The resulting serum is held briefly, awaiting its turn in the massive vacuum evaporators. Evaporation is precisely monitored to reach the target concentration level for premium tomato paste.
The concentrated paste is the building block and can be stored for long periods without loss of quality.
When the time comes, the paste is retrieved and the proprietary blending process begins, strictly following the master formula.
Food-grade salt is added to enhance the natural tomato flavor and act as a natural preservative.
The blending is a slow, methodical process to ensure the ingredients are fully integrated and the texture is perfect.
At intervals, the batch is tested for both Brix and pH to meet the precise recipe parameters.
Once approved by quality control, the piping hot ketchup is sent directly to the high-speed bottling line.
The automation on the line is breathtaking, handling thousands of bottles per hour with robotic precision.
A volumetric filling system ensures every bottle contains the exact required amount of product.
Caps are sterilized and ready to be applied at high speed to secure the fresh, hot product.
Rapid cooling locks in the flavor and ensures the vacuum seal is maintained for optimal preservation.
Flawless labeling is the final aesthetic touch, preparing the product for the global marketplace.
Automated packing ensures consistent, damage-free arrangement of the final product for transit. The case is sealed tight, ready to withstand the rigors of long-distance shipping. Pallets are securely shrink-wrapped to stabilize the load and protect the cases during transport.
From the cool storage bay, the products are loaded into climate-controlled containers, beginning their journey to stores worldwide.
Across continents and oceans, the efficient supply chain brings the condiment to every corner of the globe.
The local journey ends at the warehouse dock, ready for the final stocking phase. The protective seal is broken, and the bottled product is ready for display.
The final movement places the product exactly where the consumer will find it.
Consumers trust the consistency and quality delivered by this rigorous process.
The sale is complete, and the journey from farm to market is finalized.
In kitchens all over the world, the final element for a perfect meal is prepared.
The renowned viscosity is a result of the precise pectin retention achieved during the hot break and finishing stages. A perfect stream, a testament to the rigorous scientific control in the blending process.
The enjoyment of this simple, flavorful condiment connects the work of hundreds, from farm to table.
Every perfect bite of ketchup traces its quality back to the original raw ingredient. the ideal sun-ripened tomato.
The future of ketchup begins with continuous agricultural research, optimizing soil health and tomato yield.
Precision irrigation minimizes water usage, a core pillar of modern sustainable farming.
Advanced telemetry ensures peak efficiency, collecting vast amounts of data to improve future harvests. The weight is logged instantly, cross-referencing field data with actual delivered volume. Every stage, including the initial wash, is rigorously checked for food safety and environmental standards. A streamlined, clean environment is paramount in preventing cross-contamination and ensuring worker comfort.
Speed of the maceration minimizes air exposure, protecting the pulp's natural color and flavor.
Precise temperature control at this stage is the difference between a thin juice and a thick, stable paste. Maximum liquid extraction is achieved through a precisely calibrated finishing screen, maximizing yield and quality.
A vast array of sanitary pipes ensures the smooth, controlled transfer of product across the massive facility. The vacuum process lowers the boiling point of water, protecting the heat-sensitive flavor compounds in the tomato.
The final concentrated paste is sampled once more for bricks, viscosity, and color grade before storage.
Color is key. The paste must meet a stringent color score to qualify for premium ketchup production.
Every tank is meticulously labeled and logged, ensuring a first-in, first-out system for maximum freshness. The high-quality paste is carefully transferred to the steam-jacketed blending kettle to begin the ketchup formulation.
Only certified, high-grade ingredients are used, ensuring a clean flavor profile.
Automated dispensers ensure exact adherence to the formula, down to the gram.
The addition of vinegar is key to flavor balance and the low pH necessary for safe, long-term preservation.
A few drops of concentrated spice extracts deliver the complex, signature notes of the finished ketchup. The mixture is slowly brought to a boil inside the closed kettle, ensuring full flavor extraction and dissolution. A final hot sample is taken to confirm the mixture has the correct viscosity before the final pasteurization. The key to the perfect texture is a controlled yield value and viscosity, measured by a precise viscometer. High-pressure homogenization is the final texture refinement, creating a silky smooth, completely stable emulsion.
Holding the product at high heat for the correct time ensures complete sterilization and food safety.
The finished product is briefly held in a sanitary silo, ready to be gravity-fed to the final, rapid packaging phase.
Every empty bottle undergoes an intensive optical inspection to ensure glass integrity and eliminate risk of breakage.
Internal bottle cleanliness is guaranteed by a powerful blast of sterile, compressed air.
A precise priming dose prevents air pockets and ensures a consistent fill without foaming.
A localized steam injection displaces air, ensuring a strong, immediate vacuum is formed upon capping.
The capper seals the bottle in milliseconds, locking in the vacuum and the freshness. Version allows the remaining heat in the ketchup to sterilize the cap and bottleneck one final time.
A controlled, gradual cooling process prevents stress on the glass and ensures a perfect, stable product. The batch code and date are indelibly printed, essential for product recall and quality tracking.
A tamper-evident seal is applied, assuring the consumer the product has not been opened since leaving the factory.
Weight check automation performs a final audit before the product is packed for shipping. The final step of primary packaging is a complex dance of folding, grouping, and insertion, all automated for speed.
A bead of hot melt adhesive instantly seals the case, creating a structurally sound unit for stacking.
Robotic palletizing ensures a perfect, stable load pattern, essential for safe and efficient high-bay storage.
The protective film provides both stability for transport and defense against dust and moisture. The final inventory is logged, and the sealed pallets are placed high into the temperature-controlled racking system. All paperwork is finalized, linking the production batch to its final point of sale.
The distribution network is a critical extension of the manufacturing process, ensuring safe and timely delivery.
Presentation matters. Ketchup is faced on the shelf to maximize visibility and appeal to the customer.
After its long journey, the product finds its ultimate purpose as an essential ingredient in the family meal.
The seal is broken, confirming the product's safety and integrity from factory to home.
Its perfect consistency makes it ideal for both functional use and playful plate decoration.
The balance of sweet and tangy complements the richness of the savory meal.
The ultimate pairing. A perfect match, created by a synthesis of nature and technology.
The product's life cycle is complete, from the seed planted in the soil to the very last squeeze.
The glass bottle is a sustainable choice, ready to begin its next life through the recycling process.
The endless pursuit of quality drives agricultural research, breeding tomatoes with better color, solids, and disease resistance. The planting of a new seedling marks the beginning of the next cycle, built on the lessons of the past. Days turn into weeks under the sun, a complex natural process culminating in the perfect, ripe fruit.
The meticulous, months-long waiting period is over. Harvest day arrives in a burst of activity.
Only the optimal red spectrum is accepted, ensuring flavor consistency in the final batch.
The final step in the field is careful handling, protecting the soft fruit from damage on its way to the plant. From the moment of arrival, the raw material enters a strictly controlled, high-hygiene food safety zone.
The multi-stage wash cycle begins with high-pressure jets, dislodging field dust and soil immediately. Invisible checks ensure a pristine surface, moving beyond visible impurities to organic contaminants.
The goal is a thick, homogeneous flow, which will ultimately result in the ketchup's desired texture. A rapid cooling step after the hot break protects the flavor profile before the product is strained. The precision of the finisher screens is key to a smooth, unlumped final product.
Every variable is monitored and automated by a centralized control system, minimizing human error.
Food-grade nitrogen is used to purge the headspace in the tanks, preventing oxidation and preserving the color and flavor.
The paste is approved and cued for blending, its exact composition logged for the final formula calibration.
Absolute sanitation is maintained throughout transfer, ensuring the paste remains pristine until blending.
An inline screen provides a final check, guaranteeing the purity of the granulated sugar before it enters the batch.
Purified water is added in a precise volume to adjust the solids content to the final ketchup specification.
The vinegar's acidity is verified before use, as it is a critical factor for flavor and preservation.
The spice bouquet, containing natural flavors like onion, garlic, and proprietary blends,
Kettle is sealed. The batch is now heated under pressure, ensuring the flavors meld perfectly.
Temperature consistency during the cooking phase is vital for achieving the correct viscosity and flavor profile.
Homogenization breaks down and disperses solid particles, ensuring the final product is perfectly smooth and won't separate.
Rapid cooling is essential to prevent cooked flavors and preserve the bright, fresh taste of the tomato and spices.
A final,
Fine filtration removes any last microscopic particulate matter, guaranteeing a perfectly smooth texture.
The line operates at maximum capacity, minimizing the time between pasteurization and sealing for peak freshness.
Air knives ensure the exterior of the bottle is perfectly clean before it enters the filler.
Advanced nozzle design ensures a clean, immediate cutoff, preventing drips and spillage on the bottleneck.
A momentary vacuum assist ensures the cap seals tightly and the internal pressure remains stable during cooling.
A targeted shot of chilled water solidifies the cap's liner, ensuring the seal is immediate and permanent.
Infrared monitoring ensures the cooling process is uniform across every bottle, preventing glass stress. Perfect code legibility is essential for traceability, the ability to track the batch from plant to consumer. A precise application of high-quality, water-resistant adhesive guarantees the label will not peel or shift. An automated vision system checks for label alignment, creasing, and completeness before the bottle is packed. Any bottle failing the final visual or weight check is immediately and safely removed from the line.
The seamless integration of filling, inspection, and packing ensures the efficiency of the entire process.
The final check weighing guarantees the correct number of bottles and correct fill level in every single case.
Heavy-duty robotics handle the bulk stacking, maintaining speed and consistency under continuous operation.
A final top layer of film provides protection against dust and moisture during long-term storage or transit.
The finished goods are staged in the controlled loading zone, awaiting the final push into the distribution network. Continuous temperature monitoring ensures the product remains within optimal parameters throughout the supply chain.
The long-haul journey begins, a testament to the efficient global distribution required for mass-market products.
Shelf presentation begins with a meticulous clean, providing an appealing environment for the product.
The final element of the retail preparation is the accurate application of the price tag.
Modern retail simplifies the purchase, allowing the consumer to quickly access the product.
The product's high viscosity allows for precise, clean dispensing and controlled portion size.
The ideal texture provides the perfect adherence, coating the food evenly for maximum flavor.
More than a condiment, it's a shared experience, integral to the flavor of the family meal.
The thickness that makes it so satisfying also ensures every last drop is recoverable.
Technology continues to refine the farming process, ensuring efficient monitoring of crop health across thousands of acres.
The perfect tomato, the result of meticulous care and optimal growing conditions.
Highly skilled operators manage the complex machinery, ensuring a rapid, high-quality harvest.
Water purity is continuously monitored in real time to prevent any risk of contamination in the initial wash.
The precision sorting system efficiently directs the pure product stream forward while isolating non-conforming materials.
Consistent flow rate and pressure are maintained, ensuring uniform heat treatment across the entire batch.
The final refinement creates a perfectly smooth serum, the foundation for the ultimate silky ketchup texture.
The massive energy output is harnessed and safely managed, with clean water vapor released into the atmosphere.
Intermediate storage uses sanitary, mobile totes, allowing for flexible batch production and scheduling.
The transfer line ensures the concentrated paste remains pumpable, preventing blockages in the system. The recipe is locked in. The automated system ensures no over- or underdosing of critical ingredients. A burst of clean steam keeps the dry ingredients free-flowing, guaranteeing accurate, lump-free dispensing.
The slow-speed, custom-designed agitator prevents air entrapment, which could destabilize the final emulsion.
In-process pH monitoring is crucial for controlling the flavor and ensuring the necessary acidity for safe preservation. The high quality is evident in the perfect, stable, and homogeneous flow after the final cooking stage. The massive, sterile bottling hall is the epicenter of the final, rapid packaging operation.
Label quality is a high priority, ensuring the brand image is perfectly represented on the shelf.
An automated vision system verifies label placement, code legibility, and cap security at high speed.
Bottles are precisely grouped according to the case's structural matrix, ensuring a snug fit and preventing movement. Case assembly is an integrated part of the line, creating the protective secondary packaging just in time. The final case closure uses branded tape, a symbol of the product's identity and guaranteed quality.
The sheer volume of production requires a massive, perfectly organized logistics infrastructure.
Advanced inventory management guides the retrieval process, ensuring the correct pallet is loaded for the correct shipment.
A clean air barrier is maintained at the loading dock, protecting the product during the final transfer.
Proper stock rotation is essential at the retail level to ensure consumers always purchase the freshest possible product.
The final product is safely bagged, ready to complete its journey to the family table.
The simple act of preparing a meal is enhanced by the perfect pairing of the condiment.
The balanced consistency allows for precise, clean application directly onto the meal. The reward of the entire meticulous process is the simple, pure joy of the final flavor. Sharing a meal is a moment of connection, made complete by the world's favorite condiment.
A quick rinse prepares the glass for a cleaner and more efficient recycling process.
Modern crop management uses highly targeted, minimal treatments, prioritizing environmental safety and crop health.
The health of the plant is directly proportional to the health of the soil and the strength of the root system. Continuous self-cleaning ensures the harvesting equipment maintains peak efficiency and hygiene throughout the day.
The final, verified weight is printed on the transfer ticket, a key document for financial and process control.
High volumes of clean, recirculated water are necessary for the initial gentle cleansing and transfer. The cleaning action is designed to be highly effective, yet gentle, preserving the integrity of the fruit.
The raw bricks level of the incoming fruit determines the necessary concentration levels later in the process. A clean, consistent flow out of the chopper is crucial for maintaining the precise flow rate into the heating system.
The rapid temperature increase instantaneously deactivates the enzymes that would otherwise degrade the natural thickeners in the tomato. Real-time flow metering provides an immediate check on product yield before the concentration stage.
The liquid is held in clean, vertical tanks, maintaining its temperature and purity prior to evaporation. The deep vacuum ensures that water boils off at a low temperature, preserving the volatile flavor compounds. The final color grade of the paste is critical. It must meet the intense, appealing red of the final product.
Rheology testing provides the necessary data to accurately calculate the required water and stabilizer additions for the final ketchup blend.
The transfer is automated, ensuring the exact volume of paste, based on the batch formula, is added to the kettle. A final sensor check verifies the sugar's granular structure, ensuring rapid dissolution in the warm paste. Water volume is precisely metered to achieve the final, perfect bricks and solid-to-liquid ratio.
The vinegar undergoes a final microfiltration to ensure absolute clarity and purity before blending. Individual reservoirs maintain the purity of each spice extract until the moment of precise, simultaneous addition. The mixing speed is slowly increased to ensure gentle, thorough integration without incorporating air into the thick blend.
The final cooking process removes any small amounts of excess water, concentrating the blend to the final desired bricks.
An inline chiller cools the sample immediately, ensuring accurate viscosity and pH readings are taken at the correct temperature.
Pre-homogenization checks confirm the product is at the ideal temperature and flow rate for the ultra-high pressure refinement.
An inert nitrogen blanket protects the finished ketchup from any oxygen exposure, guaranteeing color and flavor stability.
Before every run, the entire line undergoes a rigorous, fully automated sanitation cycle, ensuring an aseptic environment.
Automated height verification prevents production errors caused by non-conforming glass bottles.
Filtered, slightly heated air ensures the internal surface is perfectly dry before the hot filling process begins.
Monitoring the flow ensures the product is at the correct temperature for hot filling and immediate sealing. The high-velocity steam jet creates the necessary vacuum, which prevents air from destabilizing the product over time. The capping rate is tracked in real time, matching the filler output for a continuous, efficient process. Sensors confirm that the cap and seal area have been exposed to the hot product for the required time, guaranteeing sterilization. Air Assistance focuses the fine ink spray, resulting in a crisp, clean, indelible coat on the glass surface. Rotational precision guarantees a perfectly straight label with no air bubbles or creases.
Multi-point vision checks confirm the integrity of all labeling, including mandated nutritional and ingredient panels.
Rejected product is isolated for human inspection to determine the exact cause of the quality failure.
The flow of finished cases is seamless, immediately routing the product to the final packaging stage.
Vacuum-assisted gripping ensures a secure, non-damaging, and perfectly aligned placement of the cases on the pallet. The film tension is precisely controlled, guaranteeing maximum load stability without crushing the underlying cardboard cases. RFID technology provides instantaneous, accurate inventory logging, tracking the pallet's exact contents and destination. The journey begins anew each morning, carrying the finished product to consumers worldwide. Careful unboxing ensures the product is not damaged during the final stage of the supply chain.
The product reaches its final destination, ready for use in the heart of the family home.
Freshness is protected by an inner foil seal, a final barrier against oxidation and tampering.
Spin cows. Its versatility makes it an essential condiment for meals throughout the day.
A simple addition, a complex journey, culminating in a moment of shared, everyday happiness.
The empty vessel is returned to the cycle, a nod to the circularity of modern manufacturing.
Precise data on solar exposure helps optimize planting density and predict harvest timing for maximum sweetness.
The final weeks on the vine are critical for developing the deep, rich color that defines a quality tomato.
In-field sensors provide an instant reading of the tomato's internal sugar content, ensuring peak flavor harvest.
Temperature-controlled transport is maintained to prevent any degradation of the fruit's quality before processing.
Water conservation is a high priority. The wash water is filtered and recirculated, minimizing environmental impact.
High-speed color sorters detect and remove any off-color or damaged fruit, ensuring a uniform, appealing final color. Industrial-grade magnets provide a critical final protection, removing any potential ferrous metal fragments from the raw material. The flow rate is precisely calibrated to the heat input, guaranteeing the exact duration of the hot break period for every particle.
An inline viscosity sensor provides a final check of the serum's thickness before the energy-intensive evaporation process. Multi-stage evaporation is an energy-efficient design, sequentially increasing the concentration until the target bricks is achieved. The inert gas blanket is verified upon filling, ensuring the paste's color and freshness are maintained throughout storage.
Microbial analysis provides the ultimate assurance of safety and hygiene before the product moves to the blending stage.
The paste is introduced through a sanitary valve, engineered for a completely closed and hygienic transfer. Precise air pressure control ensures a rapid, uninterrupted flow of sugar, preventing any blockages during the high-volume addition. Regular, certified calibration of all metering devices is essential for maintaining the absolute consistency of the formula.
The final product requires the purest inputs. Final stage filtration ensures the clarity of the vinegar component.
Automated clean-in-place cycles immediately flush all ingredient lines, preventing cross-contamination and residue buildup.
Final minutes of cooking achieve the required viscosity, texture, and flavor harmonization.
The final color of the blend is measured in line, ensuring the aesthetic quality meets the brand standard before bottling.
The entire process, from blend approval to filling, is executed in a continuous, high-speed, and closed system.
A thread inspection system verifies the glass neck integrity, preventing faulty seals and leaks in the final package.
Air relief channels ensure a rapid, clean fill by allowing displaced air to escape efficiently.
Preheating the glass neck improves the efficiency of the steam displacement, ensuring a stronger vacuum seal.
Cap orientation is automatically adjusted, ensuring the brand logo is perfectly aligned for aesthetic consistency.
A fine, controlled mist of chilled water initiates the thermal drawdown process immediately after cap sterilization.
Inline vision systems verify the code's legibility immediately, ensuring no illegible product enters the case.
A micro-tension system ensures the label is applied with a flawless, wrinkle-free, and glossy finish.
The best before date is a critical legal requirement, and its legibility is verified on every single bottle.
The system logs the exact reason for rejection, providing real-time data for upstream process correction. The final product is a testament to the consistency achieved through highly controlled, automated production. A pressure-assisted layer placement ensures absolute flatness, vital for structural stability of the high stack. The film is tightly secured to the base, ensuring the entire load remains one single, stable unit for shipping. Environmental conditions in the loading zone are constantly monitored to prevent thermal or moisture shock to the product.
The final leg of the journey aims for the dense consumer markets in the major metropolitan areas. The final presentation is key. A clean, perfectly faced product encourages customer selection.
Once opened, the product is stored for maximum flavor preservation until its next use.
The condiment elevates the simplest of everyday meals into a satisfying culinary experience.
The high quality and rich flavor encourages a generous, satisfying amount with every serving.
The occasional mess is a sign of a truly enjoyed meal, a product that is integrated into daily life.
Ready to be melted down and reformed, the glass bottle will re-enter the cycle, minimizing waste.
Remote sensing allows for early detection of plant stress, enabling preventative treatment before the problem escalates.
Every tomato is inspected for surface perfection, ensuring only the highest quality fruit is harvested.
The commitment to color standards means any unripe fruit is instantly rejected in the field.
Aeration of the wash water enhances the cleaning action and helps maintain the water's purity during recirculation.
Routine sanitization of the washing equipment prevents any risk of cross-contamination between loads of raw material. Waste material is scanned to ensure maximum extraction. Minimal residual pulp means maximum product yield. The final blend is the result of a meticulously balanced formula, combining the highest quality raw materials with scientific precision.
A symphony of high-tech production brings the meticulous process to its culmination. A perfect,
finished product. From the Earth's bounty to the world's table, the journey of tomato ketchup is complete.